When you started, nobody believed in you. They laughed, they doubted, they said you would never make it. You remember those words, don't you? You're wasting your time, you're not good enough, you'll never become someone. But deep down, you knew something they didn't. You knew that one day all those laughs would turn into silence. There was a time when you worked in the dark. When the world slept, you stayed awake, building, learning, fighting your own doubts. No applause, no motivation, no support. You failed more times than you can count. You questioned yourself, am I really made for this? You looked around and everyone seemed ahead of you. You felt like you were the only one still trying. You saw people getting success easily while you were stuck, grinding, praying for one small win. But you didn't quit. You took every insult and turned it into energy. You took every no and turned it into a reason to go harder. Every morning you woke up, even when your body said no. Every night you worked, even when your mind screamed for rest. That's what they didn't see. The late nights, the tears, the loneliness, the pain. You weren't just building a dream, you were building yourself. Nobody clapped for you when you showed up early. Nobody noticed when you stayed late. Nobody cared about the effort, only the result. They didn't see the sacrifices, missing birthdays, saying no to parties, staying broke to chase something bigger. They thought you were wasting your youth. They thought you were lost. But while they were busy judging, you were busy improving. You learned new skills. You built new habits. You became mentally tougher. And slowly, things started to change. A little success here, a small win there. You started to see the light, not because the world changed, but because you did. You learned that you don't need validation to keep going. You learned that the dream doesn't work unless you do.
And then, one day, everything started to make sense. The work paid off. The results showed up. People began to notice. The same ones who ignored your messages, now they're replying. The same ones who laughed at your goals, now they're asking for advice. The same ones who said you changed, they're right. You did change. You became stronger, smarter, hungrier, focused. They see your success now, but they have no idea how much pain built it. They see the glow, not the grind. They see the fame, not the fight. And as they clap for you now, you smile, not with arrogance, but gratitude, because you know how far you've come. The truth is, nobody will believe in you until you prove them wrong. That's the rule. People only believe when it's easy to believe. They see the result, not the road. So don't wait for validation. Don't wait for support. Don't wait for someone to tell you you can do it. Start anyway. Fail anyway. Build anyway. Because one day they'll say, I always knew you'd make it. But you'll know the truth, that you were alone when it mattered most. So if you're in that phase right now, where nobody believes in you, remember this. Every successful person was once invisible. Every great story started with doubt, and every dreamer had to fight alone before the world finally saw their light. So keep going, keep building, keep fighting, because your story isn't over yet. It's just getting started. And when they finally believe in you, just smile, because you knew it all along. Nobody believed in you until you made it. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends, and stay with us by subscribing to the channel. Thank you.